a good dog.
Dude, we gotta make we have to make like a little house for the dog. Oh, looks like those seasonal allergies are kicking in. Put it on the to-do list. What else do we need? We need. What is wrong with you? Cover your damn mouth. Cover your mouth, cowboy. Oh my god. Oh, we're gonna train these guys to see if they've got some like Benadryl or something. And the daughter thinks we're building a Starbucks. Doggy. What are you typing to say that?
Wish I could.
Oh, we probably thought of a funny something to. Just come on, listen. Come on. The sooner you cut it, the sooner you can go back to bed. We need. Oh, come on now. Don't be like that. Listen, you don't want the alternative. His asthma sounds so bad.
I'm orgasm, sister.
I
Hey, sister.
Oh, we've got infections. Come on. Stop laughing. This is bad. This is bad, cowboy. Oh no.